How to get rid of bullfrogs. Bullfrogs are an essential part of our ecosystem, but they can be real pests. Bullfrogs tend to be loud, especially at night. In addition, bullfrogs will eat almost any insect, but they will also feed on fish, eggs and small larvae, which can be a problem for the animals and insects trying to live among the bullfrogs. Getting control of these amphibians and removing them is not difficult. Techniques to remove bullfrogs are simple and will not take much of your time. Things you will need: UV-resistant 3/4 inch netting, pesticides, snake repellent. Put up a net screen to keep the bullfrogs away. The screen will need to be approximately 2 feet high and buried 6 inches into the ground. The netting you use should be a UV-resistant 3/4 inch netting. You can buy the netting from bird netting suppliers. Place the netting in areas that will effectively keep bullfrogs away. If you have a pond or lived near a small body of water, you can install netting across the top of it or around it. Place the netting along the base of your property fence and up at least 24 inches. Use a pesticide to reduce the insects that bullfrogs eat. Read the instructions on the label of the pesticide and apply it carefully to any areas likely to attract insects such as lights, gutters and leaf litter. Eliminating insects will force the bullfrogs to leave in search of new sources of food. Use a snake repellent to get at the bullfrogs. Apply it around your property line and the turf the frogs have to cross to reach water. Most snake repellents contain chemicals such as naphthalene or paratachlorobenzene, which emit a foul-smelling odor. It's the odor that repels the bullfrogs. Renew the repellent every 1 to 2 months to keep the odor fresh and active. Remove any weeds or foliage that the bullfrogs could be using as nesting places. This will make their habitat unsuitable, and they will look elsewhere to call home. Tips: warnings. Keep the snake repellents away from ponds and nearby water. If the chemical in the snake repellent melts and gets into your pond, it will kill the fish living in it.